this is the deluxe balcony room at the Harmony Phnom Penh Hotel. This room is about 28 square meters. It's got a king-size bed, as you can see. You know, and it's fairly spacious. It's a good size for 1 or 2 people, right? There's the shower. I like that concept. Let's have a look at the bathroom and shower first. It's nice and clean. They even provide you with some toothpaste, toothbrushes, shampoo, and shower gel, the usual. Let's have a look at the shower. I got the rain shower head as well. It's clean, it's a good size. I don't see any mold. That's a good sign as well. Looks good. We got the closet here. And there is a safety deposit box. It's a big one as well, big black one in the corner there. 4-digit pass code, for really easy to operate. Some hangers, space for your clothing, space for your bag right here, underneath as well. Got a small fridge though. That's the bad thing, but for a few days or 3 to 5 days, it's okay, I guess. You gotta pay for this beer though. They provide you with it, but you gotta pay. But you do get 2 free waters and coffee and tea, complimentary kettle. You pay for this as well. Small flat screen TV on the wall. Little sofa here, and you got a great balcony as well. You can smoke outside, not inside the room. Market is just right beside. There's the Ohana Hotel. Stayed there once, and it's not bad. I have a hotel review on that. Check it out. So we got some nice views. There's a couple bars on the street and a couple massage parlors, and there's a really good restaurant at the end of the street, Riverside. I think it's called Riverside Restaurant, Bistro, whatever, but it's pretty good. Good food, good breakfast, good pizza. Where is the menu? There should be a menu here, food menu. I'm not sure where it is. Anyways, there it is. Got here. So the swimming pool is open till, basically it's open till 10, or no, open till 11. So you've got room service here, room service 11 a.m. till 11 p.m. So they got Western dishes, Asian dishes as well. So it's 5% service charge, 10% taxes are excluded. So when you order something, then 15% is going to be included as well. So and make sure you check my other videos on this hotel. I have the swimming pool and the gym facility video, and I actually have another video on another room, the bigger room like this. It's like the family balcony room. Make sure you check that out as well if you're looking for a bigger room with 2 beds. All right. So please subscribe to Pattaya Slyman, and I hope you enjoy this video. And yes, there is aircon unit. It's quiet, free Wi-Fi as well, and it's guest friendly for those of you that want to bring back ladies. Thank you. Cheers. So this is what it looks like in the daytime on your balcony. If you select this room here. So you got the market over here. right. And it doesn't smell that bad. Right now, it doesn't smell at all. I mean, if you go down there. Up here, I don't smell anything. You got the Ohana Hotel right across. Of course, Riverside is just 1 minute walk down there. You get a view of the temple here. Yeah, so this is the balcony here. Lots of room.